Right, look at this. Look how pathetic this is. I've got throat lozenges, inhalers, throat sprays. Honestly, pathetic. Toughen up, Stu. Well, good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning today, and I was meant to be out today spizzing with Jag and Simon, Andy, and Richard B, I think, across in Fife, but I'm just full of the flu. I had a flu jab last week, which is meant to prevent the flu, but it's making me even worse. Not slept all night, got a sore throat, streaming nose, so not good. Annoyed because I've not been out all week, so I was looking forward to today, but just one of these things. So I'm going to try and maybe go back to bed, try and sweat all this out so I feel a bit better this afternoon, and maybe try and go out even just locally for a walk this afternoon. So, never mind. We'll just have to see what the day brings. Right, so we've come out the house and we are down, I am down at Arbroath. It's been lots of rain lately, so the Arbroath falls are sometimes really nice to see when there's plenty of water. So this is why we're down here, to have a look to see what the waterfall is like this afternoon. The usual fair amount of water this afternoon. Right, we're going to try and get down as close to the falls as we can. Little bog face down here. the Arbroath Falls. Plenty of water there today, as you can see. But typical, I tried to get down to the falls, and as soon as I tried to do it, along came a family with a pram. Not a pram. It started taking photographs and just started annoying me. So I just wasn't the mood. So right, just been to Milton Park, and I've bought 3 oranges, some 2 onions in there, and 2 bugs. £2.06 altogether for that. That's not bad. And I dropped a £5 on the floor, but the lady told me, so that's fine. It nearly cost me £7.06. That's today's purchase. Flashing lights down here. I just came down the street there to park my car. And on the West Port, there's actually 6 police cars, loads of police people and police vans. So I'm just going to go and have a look and see. Okay, so it turns out that the paper shop I was going to just go to get the paper has been held up at knife point. So there's about 7 police cars, 30 police vans, and about 20 policemen on the West Port just in front of me at the moment. So we've been told to go back to our houses and stay indoors because there's a knifeman on the loose. Oh no. I'm trying to film them.